feeling my exhaust is falling off. Exhaust has fell off. I need to go find that now. In today's video I'm doing a POV drive with my new pops and bangs that I've just had installed on this car. So ignore all that's happening at the front. And let's stay for a little blast. Put that low. I'm not doing it here because there's a cop shop right there. The police station's right there. So I've set the camera up. I don't know how well you can see, but you know what? Let me adjust my bum a bit. It's green light. Oh no, it's not. It's red. We'll wait. I don't really want to send it here because there's a cop shop ahead. You know, adjust it. I don't know how well. I'm looking at the mirror there, so I don't know how well it's looking. But you know what, hopefully this one, we never look for POVs, this one's we just have to sound. So if you saw my previous videos, you'll have seen I had my car retuned again. Not tuned, but like I added pops and bangs in. So if I click the econ button, pops come on. If I switch it off, pops go off. So it's switchable. It is intermittent, so even when it's off it does pop, but that's when I go high revs. So if I go 5,000-6,000 revs, as soon as this goes green I'm gone. There is a Skoda behind me, so I don't know if that's a copper or, you know what, just take it easy for now. Because we are near a police station, so it won't surprise me if there's coppers lurking around. Always happens, man. Look, it's clear, but that guy behind, I don't know if he's a copper or not. So I'm just literally filming. And I hope he's not a copper because he's going to come in the lane beside me. At least it's DSG farting. Let's just cruise a bit. There will be pops and bangs in this. I'm just waiting for him to go because I don't know if he's a copper or not. So we're just cruising. What's that? Oh my god, what is that? Is that alright? Oh my days, that is nice. Come on, come past me. Why is that alright? Come on, show me. It's coming. You know, because I'm adjusting my head a bit as well, so you can see it. That is nice in that blue colour. That is nice. Just tilting my head back like this just so you can see it. I hope you caught it. So there I took it to 5,500 revs, it didn't pop. But it's because I'm still in DSG mode, I'm not in manual mode. So if I switch it to manual mode or sport mode, let's see. I'm still too paranoid, man, about this guy behind in case it's a copper. So I'll spin it back. I thought dual carriage was one of the best places to do it. Let's switch on, econ's on. Just have some car alarms. Oh my days, that's not it all wellness. I didn't even hear that, alarms are going off. Now let me take it down this way. Let's take it through here. I got a feeling my exhaust is falling off. Let me have a look. Actually, let's have a look in a bit. I don't want to jump out in this public area with the camera on my head. Come. Oh my god. Right, let me get it back in the dual carriageway. That sounded mega. Sounded mega. Let me turn econ mode off. Is it over revving? It's just over revving. So you can tell it doesn't want to do it when econ's on. And I can feel my exhaust wobbling at the back. So turn econ on. Chuck in sport. It's too loud. I might have to take it off, or I might have to get the guy to. It's too loud. I might have to get the guy to take it off or make it a bit more mild. Because I did tell him I want aggressive flames, and if you've not seen the flame clip, I'll insert it here. But yeah, I think that's too loud. It sounds like a proper war zone. It sounds like someone's actually shooting guns, and the final one's just so explosive. I have had complaints from people that I know saying that it's too loud and take it off. What's the point? But on a switchable, I don't mind because I can turn it on and off. Like now, I'm just cruising, nothing's happening. Whereas if I downshift and I floor it, I know for a fact it will start popping and banging. So let me know what you guys think. They are very aggressive. The videos, they don't do it justice, I'll be honest. And by justice, it sounds nice on video. In person, it's just too loud. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you want to see more of these clips, let me know. I don't mind doing more POV drives. And it is a bit wet, so I didn't want to really send it in this thingy weather. And there's a police station right there, so I don't want to disturb the peace. No point wasting their time, wasting my time. When all I'm having is just a bit of fun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Oh shit, exhaust has fell off. I need to go find that now. The exhaust has fallen off. The one's actually come out fully, the tip. Found it. Right, so I got to the gym and I realised my exhaust had fallen off. I made a joke about it early on. I should have pulled up then and checked it, but I found it. Now I'm going to get that back on. That piece come out the clamp must have been loose. But you know what, I'm going to end up getting it welded instead anyways. So I'm going to have to go to A&M and get them both welded on. Because they keep falling down, so this one just fell straight off. So someone had to put it on the side, so I think someone's seen it. Surprised I didn't get nicked in Blackburn. So I'm going to go gym, and this will be the next video.